Play it like a pro. Real estate isn't a game unless you're playing to win. The 2025 market is not for the passive. You need strategy, not just hope. Buyers, rates are high, yes, but so is your potential. Lock in a home, then refi later. You can't refinance regret when someone else buys your dream home. Sellers, you got to come out swinging. No fluff pricing, no skimping on staging, and no lazy photos. Buyers scroll past overpriced listings in seconds. Today's buyers are pickier than ever. First impressions are everything. Pro marketing plus expert negotiations equals sold. Whether you're buying or selling, this is your moment to play it smart. I'm Cheryl Folks with eXp Realty, and I don't just sell homes. I help clients win with strategy, skill, and experience. Give us a call.